Okay, I just exited Catbalogan. Nice na. Ito yung kino-construct nilang road dati. And it's fixed. It's finished. Woohoo! Or almost finished. Oops. May small area dito na hindi pa. But, you can see it na maganda na. Very nice. Okay. Sana hindi na masira ulit. These are very beautiful roads. I wonder how far they'll be beautiful. So, in terms of road beauty, from from Calbayog to Catbalogan, siguro less than 2 kilometers of bad roads. That's not so bad. I forgot ilang kilometer reading. Calbayog to Catbalogan, probably mga 75 kilometers. And pag tinotal mo yung bad roads, hindi abot ng 2 kilometers. Yung putol-putol na yan, di ba? 2 meters here, few meters there. Uh, Basta mga 1.5 siguro kilometers worth of bad roads, which is a big, big, big improvement from last year and 2 years ago. Kaya cool. Maganda ngayon yung Calbayog to Catbalogan. Now, from Catbalogan to Tacloban, these are for me acceptable. For some people hindi. But pwede na to. And you can see that they're constructing. And ang layo na ng construction, ha? Malayo-layo na ako sa city. They're still improving. So you can see a good future in roads dito sa Catbalogan or sa Samar in general siguro sa Western Samar. Okay, I'll keep you updated as I go along.